Okay, it's June 30th, the weekend before 4th of July, 2016. It's 20 after 7 in the morning. We just got to our first hole, Pigeon Point. Came through about an hour's worth of wait this morning because of traffic. And here's Brandon, my son, and we're going salmon fishing. So we're getting everything ready. Okay. And we got the night crawlers and loads of roe that I had prepared from a salmon I bought, or I'm sorry, salmon I caught here a couple years ago, which is on YouTube also. And so we'll take that down there with us. And we each got 2 poles, each one set up for salmon, one set up for to mount some night crawlers for some possible steelhead. So we are just about ready to go. You got everything you need in here? Yep. And here we are. So we're going to get ready to get down there, and I'll start another one.